Next is back watching the geese. Some over there. There's these ones. I don't know what the hell she's looking at over here. It's just grass. What are you doing, baby? Okay, you can stop sniffing that. Come on. What are you doing? What are you doing, gorgeous? You just having fun walking on a floating dock? Yeah. Saying hi to your goose friends. Yeah. Say hi. Say hi, goose friend. What? I know there's lots of life in there, and you can probably smell it all. Come on. You're doing so good. I don't know why we had to get down here so quick. This is the rest of the view. It's absolutely beautiful. I love this park. I come here a lot to think. Nick likes it too. She likes to see all kinds of strange things. Strange birds and things. And smells.